The more I look at this thing, the crazier the rot is. So like over here, that's not too bad. All in the... I mean, the front isn't too bad. These spring perches are actually in like almost perfect shape, somehow. The bumper's actually pretty good. Actually, like no rust on it at all. But then you got spots like that. Again, the front of the frame isn't bad at all. And from up front, you'd almost think it'd be worth saving. But no, this is bad. Don't mind my finger there. Yeah, there's a factory hole. There's a not factory hole. There's a connector for something hanging out in there. Some Swiss cheese going on in there. This whole quarter's chewed up. That area is kind of intact except for the gaping hole right there. There's a big hole right there. More holes here. The inside of that no longer exists. All in here no longer exists. There's no mounting point on that rear shackle at all. Oh look, this one's kind of gone too. Got our gas tank skid, but that's rotted out on all of them. Got more quarter panel rot. Yeah, you know, rot back there. Somehow that area is perfect. I may have to cut that out for mine. Bottoms of the doors is gone. Yeah. So this is what's left of a 88 Bronco I just picked up for parts for my 89. And it's a real shame because this thing's only got 120,000 on it. Like that's all blown out. That door is all funky. It had, I have the seats and stuff put away. It's had Centurion seats in it, and here's the console. I just haven't had a spot to put that yet. Door panels are in nice shape. Like, steering wheel's nice. Dash is nice. It's even got the stickers on the heater still. It's got a radio I'll probably pull out for my own. Some kind of little spotlight thing. But, and if it looks, and this truck is fully complete. There's no, as far as I know, there's no missing parts. Everything else is, I bought it already dismantled, so. The dash trim's all real nice. We got 21,023. Right? Yeah. Or no, that's even... I can't read it through the dust, but it's low. Like, this thing really did not have that much wear and tear. It's all rot. It sucks that it doesn't have the rear defrost, because I need I need that trim piece. Maybe I'll modify this one. But everything's all, I mean, interiors, besides the carpet, is all there.